Today we're going to unbox the Thomas & Friends Superstation and assemble it. All right, so that's the assembly. Yeah, it's not too bad. Everything is labeled. Thank God, all the pieces. Depending on what your situation is, for room-wise, it does take up a lot of space. If you spread it out, you can. But like I said, there's a lot of choices over here. So when you build the main part, this is the main part which I made. You just build that separately. The assembly is not bad at all. Everything is labeled, like I said. And then these are the bridges, the support. Then what's good about this is that they give you a lot of options. So there you go. And if you want to wing it and do something that works for you with the space you have, it's good. Assembly is not too bad, but it is long. As you said, I hadn't even completed, but it's not bad. It's not complicated at all. But it's something if you're gonna do it with your kids, if he's like an impatient kid or too excited to even let you finish, it wouldn't be a good thing. So you want to definitely have this assembled before you show them. So hopefully my son does not wake up too early and I'm asleep. So let me get to bed, and then when he wakes up tomorrow, I'm going to record the reaction. Hopefully that's he get that done. All right, have a good one.
Dawaj, tu jest twój prezent.
Oh, Cranky. Wow. Ah. Wow. Look, Matthew.
Look. A nice sheep.